Are you wondering how to add hashtags on Instagram story and gain publicity by landing on Explore page? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add hashtags on Instagram story. Now let's get right into it. First, open Instagram. Then tap in the plus icon at the top left. Now select or click the picture that you desire. Then go to the sticker icon. Scroll down and select hashtag. Now type in the hashtag that you want. Then tap Done. You can tap the hashtag for more options. Or you can directly tap in hashtag from the text tool. Type hashtag and the topic that you want. Then tap Done. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.